With Weje, you can create colorful and meaningful mood boards. Create wish boards and make your dreams come true. Visualize ideas to create finished solutions. Upload images to your boards using the basic tool or simply by copying the image. Use the browser extension Weje Web Clipper for even easier collection of necessary information to compose your mood boards. Compose your uploaded images into colorful mood boards the way you want. Combine images using lists and frames for efficient management of your boards. Use Weje Pages to showcase your results. It's easy to assemble and structure images to create stunning mood boards with Weje.